Hello, it's Miss Lynch. I'm going to teach you today how to log into Destiny, our Swansboro library catalog, and how to put books on hold because this year, because we cannot go to the library, you will be able to put up to 2 books on hold. I will check them out to you and deliver them to your classroom, or if it's Wednesday, I'll leave them out in front of the school. Of course, you do have to return your books as well, so you can still only have 2 or up to 3 books out, but I will check out books to you and have them available to you for when you return your other books. So I'm going to go to Google Chrome because our account works better in there. So I'm going to go through our Swansboro Elementary School website. So I'm going to type in Swansboro Elementary School and go to our webpage and go to the Media Center. So we're going to go to Our School, and under Support Staff you have the Media Center. And when you go there, you're going to have a couple options. You have a lot of side pages, but we're just going to go to checking out our library catalog here. We're going to go to Destiny Discover. And when you go there, you have the Onslow County Schools Research Portal. It has NC WiseOwl. You may even recognize some of these pictures because that is our library. Very cool. And we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the left-hand column and click on Swansboro Elementary School. You also can go to the public library, and you can even order or sign up for their Leap Pass to get virtual materials from there as well. But we're going to go to Swansboro, and we're going to log in over here in the top right-hand corner. Your login is a little different than mine, but it is just the same login you use to log into your computer. So it's your username number and then your Onslow digital key, the password that is all capital letters and numbers that you use to log into the computer. So I'm going to hit submit on my password. And you can see at the top it says my name, and I have a little icon which you can play around with if you like. But what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to put books on hold. So if you scroll down, you see there's some different topics that you can look up if you are interested in graphic novels. We even have some, it tells us our popular titles. These books with the blue tags on it and the little sideways 8, the infinity symbol, are all ebooks that you can check out and view as long as you are on a Wi-Fi signal and you are logged into our library. You can just click on any of those books and read them right on your computer. Here are some more ebooks about the skeletal system and the cool bean, which somebody has checked out, and collections of materials about different topics. So I'm going to go to our graphic novel section and see what graphic novels we have available. Oh, a lot of them. One of my favorite series is Lunch Lady, and this says Lunch Lady, I can't quite see, and the Video Game Villain. So I can click on that book, I can learn a little bit about it, where it's found in the library, what the reading level is 2.8. I can click on more details, and I can add it to my favorites. If I have a collection of favorite books, I can add that too. But what I can do here is I can hold it. So I'm going to click on hold. It says this is available now, so that when I clicked it on hold, it's going to come to my library account and I'll be able to see that you have that book on hold, and I'll check it out to you. Remember, you can hold up to 2 books at a time, and I will deliver them right to your classroom or right to the front of the school if it is a Wednesday. So that is how we log into Destiny, and that is how we put books on hold. We are going to do more with Destiny throughout the year, but I wanted to show you those 2 things so that you can put books on hold and check out books this year, because that's how we'll be doing it. I'll come to your classroom with my library cart, but you can also put books on hold here in Destiny, and I will deliver them to your to your classroom. Thanks. Have a good one. So now, once you have put your books on hold, I did want to show you a couple other features here just so you can navigate the website. You can see at the top, you can look for books, collections, websites, or databases. Databases are like huge collections of websites on one topic or for a grade level. You can do availability, meaning you can look at only the books that are checked in right now instead of the books that are checked out that you couldn't get today anyway. or author, subject, genre, which we're in the graphic novel genre right now looking. Format, which is if it's an ebook or a book that you can pick up and hold. Sublocation, like where might it be in the school. Accelerated reader level, Lexile level, interest level. So you can look up a bunch of things. And if you look over here, you have 3 lines. We call those our French fries. And you can click on those French fries. You can go to Discover, which is where we are at right now. This is called Destiny Discover. You can see at the top. You can go to Collections, and I can click on that. And you can see collections that we have created at our school. You can see collections that other people have created. You can see collections that that schools around the county have collected, like Miss Meadows is the librarian at Silverdale. So she created these too. And you can create your own collection. So if you go to private, you'll see an option to hit the plus sign and create your own collection on a variety of topics. So I'm going to go to my 3 French fries again, and I'm going to go back to Destiny Discover, because we're not going to get into collections too much right now. And I'm going to go to My Stuff. So, oh my goodness, I have 3 books that are overdue. So I have 4 books checked out right now. Babysitter's Club, Malala, Float, and Be Prepared. I have 1 book on hold, which I had just created, the Lunch Lady book, and it is available, so I could collect it tomorrow. I can look at my finds. I can look at my favorites. So if you have some books that you really love or some books that you would like to, kind of remember for next time, you can get to my favorites and you can hit a little heart on the book and add them. You can look at the history of your checkouts, so what you have checked out in the past, and you can look at your profile. And that is where, if you would like to, you can go to Edit, and you cannot pull any pictures from the internet, but you have the option to create an emoji for your profile picture. You can do a person for your profile picture, or you can do a sticker, and I chose a sticker. So those are some fun things that you can do in Destiny. We are going to go back, and we are going to X out for now. So thanks, and don't forget to hit that hold button if you want to tell me that you would like to get a book and for me to check it out for you. Have a good one.